Okay, we covered everything that you need to know to tackle this question. Let's do a practice. Remember, don't waste time on reading the instruction. In your prep time, skim through all the options. This will give you an idea about what the main topic is, what the recording is going to be about. And also, you're going to know what keywords are relevant and important to write down. Listen to it to the very end and pay maybe extra attention to the end, because that might reveal the right answer to you. And don't pick your answer while you're listening. Wait until the end. Remember to go through all the options, and good luck. And after you picked it, maybe pause and think about it, because I'll show the answer right away. Ready? Let's go.
At no time in human history has our species been so bombarded by stuff designed to get us hooked. Food corporations hire scientists to engineer the most irresistible habit-forming foods. When you live in a world that is surrounding you with food products scientifically engineered to be habit-forming, do you really have freedom of choice? Most addictive substances are quite safe in their natural form. Heroin comes from poppy seeds, cocaine from the coca plant. Things do get really bad when we industrialize the coca production process. That's when the humble coca leaf becomes the lethally addictive drug we know as crack.
All right, I assume that you've paused, picked your answer, and now you're back to see what the right answer is. So start with what was the topic? What was the main topic? And then we go and see what is wrong with each one of the wrong options, and then which one is the right answer. So what was the main topic about? It was about industrializing food production, and then kind of subtopics, the peripheral ones, were that how it leads to really taking away freedom of choice when it comes to food, and how it really ruins good natural ingredients. First option. Drugs and medicines are the result of engineered processing of natural products. You see, there's drugs and medicines, and that's the kind of play that you're going to see in real exam tests, because it talked about poppy seeds and addiction and stuff like that. They put something related there just to twist it and just to fool you. So that's why we have drugs and medicines here. And then you see it talks about coca leaf and goes up to addiction and how it helps with managing addictive habits. That's when you don't really concentrate on the recording and you get busy writing down keywords. You don't really understand what they're talking about. So you could mix those keywords and their meanings and synonyms up with this one, and you could get this one wrong as the right answer. It didn't talk about them helping with managing addictive habits, cocoa leaf and poppy seeds. So this one is definitely wrong because of this part and because of this part. Second, there's really no freedom of choice when all the food we access is engineered to be addictive. This is right. This was in the recording. This is correct. Dangerous substances like poppy seeds and cocoa leaves are used to make drugs such as crack. So this part is right, but dangerous substances like poppy seeds and cocoa leaves is wrong, because she actually said that these two in their natural form are actually really good. They get dangerous when industries start to process them and actually convert them to drugs. So this part is wrong. Another issue with this option is that the main topic of this is taking away the freedom of choice. Okay, it doesn't really talk about the main topic of the recording, which was what goes wrong when food production becomes an industry. So this one's definitely wrong. Third one, there were times in human history when destructive bombards happened. Again, if you got busy writing down keywords, she said that we are being bombarded by stuff that are engineered to be addictive. You might get it wrong with like an actual bombarding, and this is how they fool you. They make you think what you didn't understand well is right, and the rest also is wrong. It's just about a war situation. It just talks about a war situation. That's for people who don't really listen to recording and don't understand it. Last question, last option is of course the right one, because it has the same main topic as the recording, and everything is just correct. There are paraphrases used there, but the meaning is exactly what we had in the recording. Don't forget that you could also use the ending clue to pick up the right option. Again, here, if you look at the endings, this one says that poppy seeds and cocoa leaves can manage addictive habits, which is different with the recording ending. This one is also different with recording ending because it says they are dangerous to begin with. And the third one is just a whole different story. The last one is obviously right. So if you didn't get this right, as you can see, there were so many clues that you could use to find the right option. If you didn't get the right answer, maybe just go back, listen to it again, and see what went wrong and what you did wrong really. And jump to the next lesson.